Hi, this is an executive report on BioProtect Limited and the BioProtect Balloon. BioProtect is an Israel-based medical device company focused on developing innovative and proprietary biodegradable balloon technology to protect healthy tissues from the toxic effects of radiation during cancer treatment. Its flagship product is the BioProtect Balloon Spacer, which is designed to create space between the prostate and the rectum for prostate cancer patients undergoing radiation therapy. This minimizes the impact of radiation on healthy rectal tissue, reducing the incidence of radiation proctitis and improving patient quality of life. In this report, we will discuss the commercial potential of the BioProtect balloon, evaluate the company through the lens of a snapshot due diligence, analyze the market value and competitive positioning, and offer strategic recommendations for market access and commercialization. From a regulatory perspective, BioProtect has secured both FDA and CE mark approval for the BioProtect balloon. The product's safety and efficacy were established through a series of clinical trials, demonstrating a substantial reduction in rectal radiation dose by over 70% and significant improvements in patient quality of life. The company also holds a strong intellectual property position with granted patents in the US, EU, and Israel covering both the balloon device and its delivery system. BioProtect's go-to-market strategy includes reimbursement through specific CPT codes, which are aligned with similar devices such as SpaceOAR. However, early engagement with payers will be crucial to accelerate adoption. The company's manufacturing capabilities are scalable and are supported by a hybrid approach that combines in-house expertise with outsourced manufacturing partners. BioProtect's leadership team brings extensive experience in MedTech development and commercialization, including past exits. Additionally, the company has secured approximately $28 million in venture investment from firms like Peregrine Ventures and Amit. The global radiation oncology market is currently valued at around $10 billion, with the prostate cancer radiation segment alone estimated at $1.5 billion. Within this space, the rectal spacer submarket in the US and European Union has a total addressable market of between $600 million and $800 million and is projected to grow at a CAGR of 7 to 10% over the next 5 years. The primary competitor in this space is Boston Scientific's SpaceOAR, a hydrogel-based spacer acquired via Augmenix for $600 million in 2018. SpaceOAR has several advantages, including first-mover advantage, broad payer coverage, and high brand recognition. However, BioProtect's balloon spacer differentiates itself through its unique design, which maintains its shape and position, offering a more predictable deployment and spatial separation. Additionally, the balloon spacer may offer advantages in terms of shelf life stability and manufacturing cost structure. For successful market penetration, BioProtect should adopt a multi-tiered market access strategy that includes clinical advocacy, payer engagement, provider education, and a robust value proposition communication supported by a strong health economics evidence package. To further optimize market positioning and accelerate growth, BioProtect should focus on 3 strategic actions. These include accelerating US market penetration through strategic partnerships with leading radiotherapy centers and experienced medical device distributors. Secondly, expanding clinical indications to additional applications in gynecologic cancers, colorectal cancers, or other anatomical sites where healthy tissue needs protection during radiation. And thirdly, developing a robust health economics package to demonstrate the long-term cost-effectiveness and value proposition of the device to both public and private payers. BioProtect's BioProtect Balloon Spacer addresses a specific and growing clinical need in radiation oncology by offering enhanced protection for non-target tissues during treatment. Backed by solid clinical data, regulatory clearance, and a scalable business model, the company is well-positioned to compete in a growing niche segment dominated by one major player. With effective execution of its market access strategy, expansion into adjacent indications, and continued clinical validation, BioProtect Limited has the potential to significantly impact the standard of care in radiation therapy for prostate and other cancers, while positioning itself as a high-value commercial and clinical asset in the global oncology devices market. Thank you for watching.